In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payout method to your Patreon account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Patreon and make sure you are signed into your account. Go to the bottom left, press on your name, and you want to make sure that your page is selected. Now, once you're over here, you're going to get this left menu over here, and you're going to see this option that says payouts, and you just want to press on it. From here, you want to select on this button that says add payout method right over here, and then it's going to make you do a questionnaire. So for security purposes, changing your payout method triggers a 5-day hold. After that, payouts are available immediately. So the first thing you will need to do is you will need to answer where is your bank account located. So please go ahead and enter that in. You will also need to specify your citizenship status and whether you're an individual or a corporation. Go ahead and press on next once you're done with that. So we have multiple different options that we have over here, including direct deposit, which is processed through Stripe, and it's not going to give you any fees or anything like that, and it's going to give you a flat fee over here. But we could also use PayPal. So it is a 1 to 3% fee, which is kind of a lot, and the fee is capped at $20 with a minimum of 25 cents. And there's even more fees over here, so up to 3% more on top of this that PayPal applies only if you transfer to your bank, and that is something you have to do. So of course, I personally recommend going with direct deposit right over here, but if you want to, you could also use PayPal. So let's just go ahead and use direct deposit, and then it's going to make you open up this software called Stripe. So you just want to go ahead and press on it just like this. So Stripe is a payment processing software that you guys are able to go ahead and use. It is completely free to use, and you're able to go ahead and log in if you already have a Stripe account. But if you don't, do not worry, you're easily able to make one. But of course, if you aren't able to use your direct deposit, then you could also use PayPal. So let's go ahead and select on it and then press on continue to PayPal just like so. And then it's going to ask you for confirmation that you want to connect your PayPal account to Patreon. You're able to select on agree and connect, and you should be good to go. Now, if you're doing direct deposit, you are going to need to spend a little bit of time to actually verify that it is actually you. So I always recommend doing direct deposit just because, of course, there are less fees and stuff like that. But if you want to, you could also use PayPal, and that's how you're able to go ahead and get the process started. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.